Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. So BONK here has moved up quite well. We've seen a pump and quite expected pump, by the way. For a long time I've been actually waiting for this pump to happen because again on the 4 hour time frame we have a pattern that has never been retested. So if you look at it, we talked about this being your head and shoulders. So I'm just going to turn back the logarithmic scale right there, and you have your left shoulder here, the head probably, and the right shoulder, a break to the downside. So we still have to see probably 155,000 as the next move to the upside. Yesterday there was a fake out, by the way, I told you, and this shooting star got invalidated. It gave you a nice good stop loss. So you can see that 11,198 was your stop loss. If you can see that when you invalidate your bearish candle, that's it. You push up and up and up. So at the moment that's just what happened, and you can see that as I've given you that you're going to be coming on top of this pattern right over here. You pump back up, you went to the top of the pattern there, and now it seems like you have a little bit of a flag, and you may be looking to push all the way from this place to that place. And yes, 150,000. So we still might see another leg up. So it's not really done yet, and this to me personally is just a retest. I don't see this being anything else, right? So if I try to remove all the drawings right now, and this one as well, that one as well, this is to me a retest. And when you do make that retest, you're going to have to be very, very, very careful from this point onwards. So all I'm expecting is a move up and touch this line and turn it into a resistance, which was previously a support here, support there, support here, and support there. And to me, from this point onwards, from right over here, number one, I want to tell you that when you do touch that price level, it does look like the RSI is going to climb also to the overbought level. And when you do that, when you eventually come up here, take some few stop losses for the people who are bearish, everyone is going to turn bullish thinking that this is another leg to the upside. But I don't think it's